Hey, if you are looking for free, the best themes that you can actually use on your Samsung phone, all you have to do is just to open the settings. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then you have to scroll down and go into the themes. So open it. Now you'll be moved into the Galaxy themes, and then you have to tap on the top and click right here and select free. Now click on this icon so you can find the top themes that are actually in use by users. They are top rated by the users and they changing over each month. Of course, right now that's dominated by the Christmas themes because it's Christmas time. And yeah, but when you watch it in the January, February, it will be definitely the different themes. So that's all. If you want to use it, like for example this one, all you have to do is just to click download, and then after download, click apply. As you can see, this one is actually really big. It's probably one of the biggest that I have ever seen, but it is changing almost everything on your phone. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.